Hey guys, so this is my house, and as you can see, there's a big giant fish tank back there, which you can't see very well, but anyway, this is a science experiment, a taste testing experiment that I wanted to do with you guys in school. Well, since I don't have you here, I have two volunteers who are going to taste some different kinds of chocolate. Come on over. Come on over, guys. Okay, this is Eli, and they love chocolate. And this is Timmy, and they are my twins. They're my twins. They don't look a lot alike, but they are my twins. And I thought that they could taste 4 kinds of chocolate. And we even have a little graph here. It says, I don't know if you can see it. It says chocolate testing fun. It says milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate, and bitter chocolate. And as you can see, they can rate. This would be, oh, it tastes delicious. This would be, and this would be, ugh, disgusting. Okay, so we're going to move that over here. And let's see, I'm going to start with the milk chocolate. Did you each like a piece? Milk chocolate, delicious. You're probably used to milk chocolate, like Hershey's Kisses. Can you see the milk chocolate in there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, what do you think?
It's good.
It's good, yeah. What does it taste like?
Milk chocolate.
Well, I mean, it's creamy, right? Is it sweet? Yes,
Yes.
it's sweet. Okay, what Eli? What would you give it? What would you give it? Which face? This is milk chocolate. The top, the middle one. Okay. Okay, Eli gives it a so.
I give it good.
Okay.
Yeah, I give it
We'll let Eli do this first one. He gives the middle. Okay. I'm going to let them both taste dark chocolate. So let me show it to you. Dark chocolate. See, I don't know if you can tell, but it is actually quite a bit darker.
But also chips.
Yeah, they're chips too. Okay, you guys give it a taste. What do you think? Tell me.
I like milk chocolate better.
You do? You like the milk chocolate better? Yeah. Okay, Timmy, we're going to let you choose here. What are you going to choose, Tim, for dark chocolate? Smiley face, or gross? The middle? Middle one. Okay, Timmy gets to do the middle one. Oh, both middle. Okay. All right. See, middle. We did it. Okay. Next one is interesting. This is white chocolate. If you've never had it, it actually does look white. It's more of the fat of the cocoa butter, the fat of the cocoa bean, and not so much of the cocoa powder. So let's see what you guys think. I'm going to take a piece too. What do you guys think?
I like milk chocolate better.
All right, let's give this one to Eli.
I really like this.
Eli, which one do you think for a white chocolate?
Yummy.
Yummy. Okay, Timmy not so much, but okay, the last one is my favorite kind. It's really dark. It's actually called Baker's chocolate, and I'm not going to say any more than that. Okay, guys, I'm going to recommend just a little tiny piece. Don't go overboard. Here's one little tiny piece. This is a semi-tiny piece. What do you think?
It's bad.
Yeah? Why is it bad?
Bitter.
Yeah, it's super bitter. It's not sweet at all, and there's no cream in it, no milk at all. All right, what would you give that guy?
I think it is.
Yeah, super bad. However, if you add it to a recipe, like you're making cookies, or you're making brownies, or you're making fudge, or frosting, chocolate frosting, you mix it with other things, and it's awesome. Okay, this is the final vote. There it is. And you know what? You can do this at home. I wish I could do it with you, but this is the next best thing. All right, guys. Well, guys, thank you. You guys want to wave goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for doing the experiment with us. Bye.